Okay, we're going to start with building a slider. Go down to Slider Evolution, open up the program, go to Master Model, click the down arrow, go to Duplicate. We're going to name it after the model name. Click Duplicate. Okay, now we're going to find this here. We're going to go here to the Edit pencil. That's going to open up the slider. Okay, we are going to start here, add slide. If you hover over that, you'll see it'll say add bulk slides. Add bulk slides. That allows you to drag in a master number of or master amount of the slide images. So I can just click and drag. Get the upload files part of this, and you can just click and drag all of those in. As soon as they're all showing up, you'll see the insert button down here. Okay, great. Hit insert. And then what we have to do is we've got to go back and delete that first blank slide. Right here, just hover over it, hit delete. Okay. Slides updated. Okay, that part's done. Okay, now we have to create a featured image. Okay, this is Photoshop. I'm going to give you this template. The idea is to keep the girls inside this little box right here. We're going to use a technique called a clipping mask. We're going to drag the model's picture in there. If you hold the Shift key before you let go, it'll center the picture. And then what I'm going to do here is if I hover over there and hold Alt and Shift together and just bring it down to where the top of her hair is at that line there, we're going to let this bottom part get cut off. We're going to hit OK and accept that change. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag over here in the layers. I'm going to drag this down, and it's going to create a clipping mask. And just to give you a quick demonstration of what a clipping mask does is, if I release it, if I lay a picture over another shape, so right here there's a white rectangle right there with those purple borders on it. If I lay a picture on top of that, I can highlight that picture, I can right click, I can hit create clipping mask, and essentially the top picture takes on the parameters of the bottom picture, so it keeps everybody really consistent and super clean. Then we will Control Alt Shift S to save for web and devices. Save it as a JPEG. You can see, this is pretty low. I leave it at maximum quality. I mean, that's only 53K. I mean, it's a pretty small file. Hit save, and I would just been naming these. You can name them however you want to. Hit enter, and that step is done. Now in this step here, we want to create a post for a girl. We're going to hit post, add new. Page is going to open up. We're going to choose Fusion Builder. Come up here, title of page, Trade Show Kelsey L. Period. Right here, if I hover over custom, if I click on custom templates, you'll see that there's one here called Master Model Posts. If I hover over that, I can click load. It'll ask me if I'm sure, yes. And a blank template's going to pop up. This is where you're going to click the edit pencil, go in here and edit your content just by highlighting and typing in. This is the little image inside their own text. If you scroll down here, the image is right here. Click upload. Upload the files. I'm going to go out here to Kelsey's file, grab her headshot, hit OK. Over here, this is an important step right here. You want to make sure that it's on this 200 by 300 and alignment to the left, and then insert that into the post. Hit save. Excuse me. Change your name right here. Model name. Kelsey L. Hit save. This is the text. I'm gonna click the pencil. Opens up the text thing. And all I'm doing right now to try to keep all of your bold and all that stuff that you've already done is just bring in your literally highlight and copy this. Copy. Put my mouse inside there, Control A, paste. Drag the window down. I'm trying to help you out here and have things go through these. This is a really long paragraph, and I know in a normal English structure it's perfectly fine. You know, want to look through here and see if there's places where we can break up some of that text. I'll leave that up to you. Hit save. This half is done. If I go to the sharing box over here, click the edit pencil. Everything in here is good to go with the exception of the image that we're going to share on Pinterest. Click upload, grab her headshot, insert into the post, hit save, and then we need to grab her slider. So we go here, select the slider, find the one that you made for her, click save. Now we got a couple more steps here. We want to get that featured image, which is where we want to go back out to wherever you're saving, you know, your featured images. And Kelsey is here. Hit OK. Save featured image. Got to go down to the bottom here. There's a couple things to do here on the bottom. One, you're going to put her name right here. That's how the metadata knows to pull it up. Kelsey L. Two, you have to tell the sidebars to click that sidebar tab and tell it no sidebar. Okay. And the last thing is up here is to go through her metadata. Don't and just click on all the boxes that apply. And we'll talk more about those categories, how you can add and edit those, and publish. And while that's happening, we will pull the model page over, hit refresh, and Kelsey popped up. So she's there. Now we can click on her and we can double check that everything is working properly. Headlines in place, slider, major call to action buttons right there, and all of the slides are working. I can't believe that's Jim Luce's daughter. Okay, so that works out. Trade your models.